If you drive a hybrid vehicle, you probably searched up before, how much does it cost to replace the hybrid battery? And maybe you've seen some crazy quotes like we'll go over today that are maybe $5, $10, or $15,000. Today, I'm here to tell you the truth. In today's video, we'll be going over cost. How much does it really cost? Should you go through a third party or a dealership? And on top of that, we're going to be giving away a $200 discount code. Not at the start, not at the middle, and not at the end of the video, but throughout today's video, I'm going to be giving you letters. And the first letter is G. All right, let's get into what you really came here for. The actual cost of replacing a hybrid battery. At Greentec Auto, we offer affordable, accessible, and reliable replacements for over 74 different makes and models without the huge dealership markup. We service every battery, going from Priuses all the way to Teslas. For the batteries that we sell, we have 3 different options for each battery, with the variant being between warranties that range from 12 all the way to 48 months, and cell type, which varies from new and remanufactured. Today, I'm just going to be going over some of our most popular options and showing our most affordable remanufactured option and our most popular new cell option for each of the batteries I go over. Take the 2010 to 2015 Toyota Prius, for example. We have a remanufactured battery with a 12-month warranty that starts at $1,299. For our brand new option that comes with a 48-month warranty is starting at $2,249. For the 2010 to 2013 Ford Escape, we have a remanufactured battery with a 12-month warranty that starts at $2,399. We also have a brand new cell option with a 36-month warranty that starts at $3,599. And if you drive a 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic Hybrid, we have a remanufactured battery with an 18-month warranty that starts at $1,395, and a new cell option with a 36-month warranty that starts at $1,749. A lot of you are watching this right now and still thinking that's pretty expensive for a hybrid battery. And while I do agree with you, let me show you how much dealerships are charging. In the story behind me, a guy named Lucas Turner was quoted $20,000 for a hybrid battery. That's more than the car itself, and it was a 2014 Infinity. So let me ask you a question. Would you pay $1,000 to $2,000 to extend the life of your car anywhere from 8 to 10 years? For the second letter, it is G. Let's talk about how the battery actually gets replaced, because we've made it easier than ever. With us, you have 2 solid options. First, you can come to one of our 34 locations across the United States. If we have a location near you, which most likely we do, you can book a call, book an appointment, and come to our shop where our highly trained technicians will install your battery. But if you're busy or just don't really feel like dealing with traffic, towing, or waiting rooms, we can come to you with our mobile installation service. Yes, our highly trained technicians can come to your home, office, or business and get your hybrid battery installed in a matter of no time. Here's how it works. You give us a call or book online. In just a couple clicks, we confirm your car's make, model, and the exact battery you need, then schedule a time that works best for you. Our technician shows up with the tools, the battery, and everything needed to get the job done right on the spot. It usually takes 1 to 2 hours max. We run a diagnostic check before we do anything, remove the old battery, install the new one, test the system to make sure everything is running perfectly. And just like that, you're back on the road. No towing, no downtime, and no dealership markups. Let's be real, warranty should make you feel confident, not confused. At Greentec Auto, every battery we install comes with a straightforward warranty, and you choose how much peace of mind you want. 1 year. Perfect if you're selling the car soon or just need short-term protection. 2 years. A safe middle ground with more value. 3 years. Ideal for long-term drivers who want stability. And 4 years. Maximum coverage and confidence for the long haul. The next letter is T. Next up is dealership versus third party. And before we get into it, I just want to say thank you so much for coming this far in the video. It shows you're not just the average customer who buys a car and doesn't do any research on the key components. But let's be real, replacing a battery isn't like changing a tire. It's a complex process that takes time and experience. Not just the average shop or person could do it. That's also why dealerships can charge so much, not only for the battery alone, like they do, but also they charge premium labor fees by the hour that can add up into the thousands. Your hybrid battery isn't a small investment, and we treat it with the respect it deserves. That's why we back up all of our replacement batteries with coverage that's clear, fair, and built to protect you. And if your hybrid is on its last leg, don't over panic and definitely don't overpay. If you enjoyed this video and you got some useful tips, click the link in the description and join the thousands of satisfied customers that are back on the road, saving time, saving money, and getting the last letter of the discount code, which is T.